Hey XRP family, we got great news today. Going to share with you what that is, as well as what it really means for us for the remainder of September, as well as moving into the fourth quarter. So this is a good day, and we're going to celebrate it as such, associated with this news that we are getting. So do actually three things for me. Please hit that like button down there below the video. Please hit that subscribe button down there below the video if you haven't already done so. And in the description below, go check out and get signed up for my free newsletter. It is a newsletter that's delivered twice a week to you. And what it is, it helps you generate profits and more wealth with crypto and stocks. And all we do is we chock it full of great value stuff that is driven. It's driven to help you guys make even more money. And it's free. It's 100% free. It's down there. I'm not going to send you any spam. I'm not going to send you any junk. Please go sign up for that. Okay. So with that, so we today got the CPI report, the Consumer Price Index report. I know you probably don't care, but I'm going to tell you what it means to you and why, and the impact it's going to have on you and your XRP. So what this is this is the final inflation report. So when the Federal Reserve, what they look at three key things. They look at the jobs report, they look at the PPI report, which is the Producers Price Index, which we got yesterday, and they look at the CPI, the Consumer Price Index report. They look at those three things mainly. There are other variables, but those three things are public reports that come out every month, and they factor that in. Okay, so what this means is that we are 100% cleared for takeoff to get a interest rate reduction next week on September 17th when they make this announcement about the Federal Reserve reducing those rates. But the key now is, are we going to get a 25 basis point cut, or are we going to get a 50 basis point cut? So now possibly looks like we're going to get an even bigger cut, because the jobs report came in way lower than expected. 22,000 came in. The number that we're expecting were 75,000. The PPI report came in at like 2.6, and they were expecting over 3%. The CPI report that came in today came in line with exactly the expectation number. Okay, so it wasn't hotter than expected, things of this nature. The stock market right now, running hard. Dow's up 400 points. Crypto's up a little bit and continuing to move up. We got Bitcoin back up over 114,000. So this clears the way for the remainder of September. It takes that macro uncertainty off the table. So there's not a lot of uncertainty now associated with what's going to happen with the Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. We're going to get one. It's just the question of whether or not it's a little bit bigger than we were expecting, whether it's 50 basis points or 25 basis points. That's the good news. Beyond that, looking at fourth quarter, this does pretty much clear the way for additional rate cuts, if additional, maybe getting 1 or 2 rate cuts for the end of the year. And again, Federal Reserve interest rate cuts do have an impact on your crypto. They do move the needle. They do move the market. They move the crypto market. Okay, so just why I continue to talk about it. Believe me, I would love to do videos and not have to talk about the Federal Reserve interest rate, but hey, it's part of the equation. Okay, so with that, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that we got good news today. Good stuff. I like this. Beyond that, look, we'll see how the rest of the day plays out, the rest of the week plays out. Again, I think this takes the macro uncertainty, kind of that larger zoom out uncertainty off of the table. Not a specific XRP event, but this is pretty good, darn good XRP news, as well as darn good crypto news. So let's take it at that, okay? So with that, I just wanted to kind of give you that piece of information. If you're interested, go check out my software trading indicator. $1.15 a day is what it costs. You got 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee, and it helps you know when to buy and when to sell any crypto. It gives you profit alerts, buy, sell, profit alerts, so you can lock in and make even more profit in this crazy crypto market. And it's about to take off, so you can be making even more money in the crypto market. You can also use the software for stocks as well. So I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. More news to come later. Bye.